This beef bulgogi is sweet, smoky, garlicky, and absolutely irresistible. Thin slices of beef are marinated in a rich Korean style sauce, then cooked until beautifully caramelized and glossy. It's quick, it's packed with flavor, and it tastes like it came just. It's quick, it's packed with flavor, and it tastes like it came straight from your favorite Korean barbecue spot. Some Asian pear is grated. It will add sweetness to the marinade and will help in tenderizing. The marinade consists of soy sauce, water, sesame, and regular oil, chopped onion, garlic and spring onions, grated Asian pear, gochujang paste, and sesame seeds. And thinly sliced beef is added to it. A little more soya and sesame oil is added to the beef, and everything is mixed together. This is then sauteed with some onions. It's that simple. I'm going to start with this Asian pear. I will grate a quarter of it and keep it aside. For the marinade, add a quarter cup of light soya sauce to a large bowl. Add a quarter cup of water as well. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, followed by 2 tablespoons of regular oil. Add a quarter cup of chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, quarter cup of spring onion that I've sliced, and I've used the bulbs as well as the leaves, the grated Asian pear I grated earlier, 3 tablespoons of gochujang or pepper paste. This pepper paste comes in mild and hot. I usually buy the hot. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix this together. Typically, bulgogi is made with very thinly sliced rib eye. I got my hands on this pre-sliced beef short ribs, and so I will be using this. I have 1.5 pounds. This is roughly 680 grams. Before the beef gets marinated, I'm just going to hit it with a quarter teaspoon of soya sauce and a quarter teaspoon of sesame oil. Just mix this into the meat and then dredge the whole thing through the marinade. Allow this to sit for 30 minutes, and if you're in a rush, up to 2 hours for more flavor, or up to 8 hours overnight. I would not do more than 8 hours as the pear could over tenderize. If you're planning a long marination, leave the pear out or just add it 30 minutes before cooking. Heat up some oil and saute a half cup of sliced onions. Then add in all of the beef and leave the excess marinade in the bowl. Allow the beef to cook for 10 to 15 minutes till the marinade thickens and the beef darkens in color. Finally, add in the rest of the marinade and allow it to cook for just a few more minutes. Enjoy this over steamed rice or in a lettuce wrap. Enjoy.